somu ya umwanchi omuligere bwegetaseni kya Ndizi TV na bobu ansu bomo gusingwe genda litkore ondigenderete ko bali toyero kegima na nene no genderete kwegokya aso kubwatie mirobero yonsi yeritkore yarerekero lirene ritkoria Ijuma tariki 10 cy'umutienyo gatatu omwaka w'Ibere na 2023 nekero bono murai wense Dr. William Samuel Ruto aberega kwenekia okubekerwa chigutwa ko banyanyimbo begekosi ya cadet KDF asensemo ya Lanet Imeye County ya Nakuru chingaki agendrete ko gose chingaki agendrete kwenekia ne serikali negendrete kubeke miroberio yo kwenekia oburendi wisaine bwabere bogotingiwa Imeye ya Kenya ne chingaki chingiye kero cyaragire Chinsa Isano na Ibere ngo kwarigania SMS ya Amayia eri nkomanyuna naraya na kwariganire asenchera ere yobwenge nyoro mna sensemere ya Facebook na bogotonyoro wetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News na boigo na bogotwitwetera @Ndizi TV News asensemo ya Twitter ere tariane Everlyne Osero to kubwatirana nere Joshua Auta kwena kya wikeire asensemo yimanyererio kabana into wikomoerio. Ngokwariganito ya chake koruase kaunti ya Kisii awase umuchumbe bwebunge ya Bonchari Dr. Charles Onchoke agendrete ko umerana n'abamenyi bensemo ya omwari yotoka sebunge ya Bonchari eriko kwanera igoro yoboremo bwo kwagacha iskuru yobobundi ase ensemeyo bamenyi abo ngo bagendrete ko bwatuke ibirengerero byabo ko bwatukana n'uburemo bwo
kero kagari abantu abange kurubano babegeta abana of the same Kisii and national and elsewhere. It is very fortunate kutwara marima mange se department yete Nyamwari se yete Nyamwari. But not Nyamwari. Okay, no Nyamwari sawa. Lakini akero amarima ya ligeribu according na munabale gamba tato tubate primary tubate secondary of the same kanisa. Na boigo school yete Nyamwari 15% nega nitiko eyo mete yekikoba divided aba murakando aba iseketano iho still learning matu.
Omurai wense Dr. William Samuel Ruto nigo aikirana sensemo ya Lanet Imeye County ya Nakuru erio kwenekia okubekerwa chigutwa kubanyanyimbo begekosi ya cadet KDF abo babere bakonyora maigerio ase ensemeyo okwana chingaki echo Ruto nigo akwanira igoro yoborendi mense ya Kenya asate amne serikali goetera se wizara yoborendi neche kwenekia buna abanke ngori kwabare ase mirimo gusase ensemo yoborendi bunenchiremo yokobwatrana erio kubeka omurembe Imeye ya Kenya anene chingaki echiga obosagani bogendrete kwenekiwa na boigo bosaria ase chinsemo o Imeye ya Kenya.
Encouraged to note that the Kenya Defence Forces continues to employ a futuristic approach to professional training and development in order to become progressively effective in a complex operational environment and to respond decisively to diverse and rapidly evolving challenges. The dangerously misguided idea that people can acquire illegal arms, mobilize to commit murder, robbery, violence, and other criminal acts, and in the process displace, torment, cause suffering and insecurity to peaceful communities must and will come.
Nekerense merie kwa mereria serikali ya Azimio la Umoja wa Kenya egendrete koraria maandamano imense ya Kenya erio kwa mereria oborai we serikali ya Kenya kwanza askiri batewa ikirani amaganio y'abananchi ni gensemo y'abarai kurwase county ya Kisumu bakora wano mukonyi bwo mugavana se county yo Matthew Owili baganiria abantu weso kya sobonge erio gukora maandamano yoko Rusia bisi ya serikali ya Kenya kwanza ukwana chingaki echo nigo batere n'abakenya nigo bagendrete wetera chingaki chingongu anene kubwatkana nogo konga kuobugima.
We identify 100% with the 15-point agenda as enumerated by our leader. We also want to affirm to the same population that we'll be going out to engage in a peaceful demonstration, a massive peaceful demonstration to force out the illegitimate president but not that, to also get back our country back to ourselves. I mean, we have very valid points as indicated today by our leader. The cost of living is hitting the roof, but not just the cost of living. We also know from the whistleblower that the valid victory of Raila Amolo Odinga was stolen. We are going for that victory. Now, we will be, demonstrating, peaceful demonstration in the county of Kisumu and in the city of Kisumu. And we want to call upon the population to get out in their masses and ensure that what is not right in this country is corrected.
We want to call upon people to come out, and we as the residents of Kisumu will say that our borders will be closed. Our borders will be closed and will not allow movement, because this thing is supposed to affect each and every person.
Ababwatani be kiama kia ODM korwa sensemo ya alego usonga ime kaunti ya Siaya nigo barure notice ya matukemero nke Ibere nerimo aso mugavana we kaunti ya Siaya James Orengo kubwatana no mukonyo ye William Oduol askere bagote abuna owetana kwa ABARAI ababere nigo gukora chie koirana magega magendero ase kaunti ya Siaya.
Unanimously, Alego people say that our leader should work together with his deputy. And if they don't work together, they have no option other than mass action.
Nasema hivi, tulichagua Bwana Orengo na Bwana Oduol wafanye kazi kama governor na naibu yake. Hatukuchagua mtu afanye kazi peke yake ama arogote mtu shambani alete ndio sasa afanye kazi. Hiyo tumekataa.
Tunataka projects yote ya Lego Usonga endelea namna walipangwa. Na sisi hapa nataka hawa kucancel hata moja. Hiyo ndio maneno yetu, na governor yetu James Orengo na deputy yake Oduol Denge wafanye kazi pamoja, wawachana kagawana.
We need peace in this county, because when we don't have peace, what about our children? What about the family, the needy ones? And I'm the chair. I'm requesting the two, especially my brother, whom I love so much, Bob Jim Orengo and William Oduol, to work together so that women can benefit.
Egati ABARAI korwase ensemo ya Elgeyo Marakwet nigo bagenderete kwe murunga neryo kuborwa ku OBORENDI ase ensemo ya KERIO Valley okubata na kwa ireire abo bisabanke gokwa aso goitwa nababewa nabono nigo baganirie serikali goso hagati na kugayana enganeyo eyo kubaenekeria OBORENDI boisaine na kobeka obugima bw'abantasa ororo.
We are cognizant to the fact that the national government has made some efforts to aid the deployment of police and other officers in KERIO Valley, but that has not amounted to anything positive towards peace, restoration and security in KERIO Valley. It is our plea that the national government look at this matter.
And our observation now is the killing seems to be targeting staff and targeting the people who are assisting those who have suffered in the community. And our worry now is if they are targeting staff who are doing their normal work, there were no livestock there. It was just about killing people. Where are they going to next? Are they going to target us as leaders? So our call is, this is no longer about banditry, and it's no longer about traditions or the cultures of the people of KERIO Valley. This is a militia, a very organized militia, out to finish the people of Marakwet, out to expand the boundaries along KERIO River.
The KDF officers are just like flower girls in the valley. They were deployed, but they are not doing anything. I'm even saying that section 241(3) of our constitution to be relooked, so that if there is urgent things, then we don't need parliament to approve, because we are
Omubungo mochora sebunge ya East Africa kanini kega nigatebire buna ogotaba okobwa matobya ase kiama kia Jubilee na kukoireire okoira na magega we kiamekyo aya nigaya kwanire magega yere goserwa kurwase museum ya Kenya amo negati ABARAI kurwase kiamekyo kia Jubilee.
You know very well just that Jubilee was a ruling party in 2017. Actually, it's from 2013 to 2022, where we had 170 members of parliament. But in the last general election in 2022, because of so many mistakes that were done by Jubilee as a party in terms of the leadership and all that, we reduced our membership in the National Assembly from 170 to 28, from 25 senators to 5 senators, from 24 governors to 1 governor, from 1,002 MCAs to 110 MCAs. And with that in mind, we thought that as a party we need to reflect and see where did the rain start beating us. And we found it that it is in the leadership of the party and how we used to handle our members. That is the reason we lost. And our party, Jubilee, has never had or convened a NEC meeting since the inauguration of the party on the 26th of February 2022.
Umugavana we county ya Uasin Gishu Jonathan B ni gaborire kiombege kurwanya obukurumikya Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission EACC kwene kiabunango tukorabare obutkubaisaine kubwatukana net scholarship ekyochi kwene no cha sabaro kiwacho kugenda gosomera ase chinse cheisko okwana nabari kyamangana ime yo Eldoret ni gatebire buna obunereria gosobongainereria obonge ni obwabere bokoene kiwa asa mangana yetsemi ase aganirie abaibori koba maiso na kwene kyabana babo bachi ase chiskuru na mono kwene kiabunangwa kanabare school fees nabona nigatero na nigo babekire bitambukire bibwenerete gocha kwene kia una oboibyo boti borigo chikogenderera na kwene kia baro kiwa basirirwe eryo kwegenderera bya ase chisemi cyabo.
Tumesema EACC waendelee na mambo ya forensic audit uchunguzi kwa ile account ya KCB na baada ya siku 30 wao watuambie ni nini wamepata, na kama kuna mtu awaye yote ambaye atapatikana kwamba alifanya makosa atakutana na sheria. Pili, tumesema kwamba wazazi wetu ambao wajalipa fees wamalize kulipa fees kwa sababu watoto wako kule mbele. Tuendelee na timelines ambayo tulipewa na universities wa Finland kule. Wale wafanyikazi wa Uasin Gishu County Government ambao watapatikana kuwa kwa ile trust fund account ambayo ilianzishwa, kama watapatikana kwa forensic audit kwamba wao walihusika kwa kufuja pesa, watakutana na sheria. Lakini kwa sasa tunasema waende nyumbani, step aside, ili investigation ifanyike. Tunaomba sana sana universities ya Finland wakubali watoto wetu ambao wanasoma pale na wazazi pia walipe fees ama karo directly to the universities, sio kupitia mtu mwingine hapa na pale. Hapo ndio tutamaliza hii shida ambayo tumekuwa nayo. Meanwhile, tuko tayari kusimama na watoto wetu na wazazi wetu kwa sababu hawa watu ni Uasin Gishu. Kama governor sitakubali kabisa na sitakubali watu wetu wafuje pesa kwa sababu ya kwamba ati watu wanaenda kusoma. Kwa hivyo hii uchunguzi iendelee, EACC wafanye kazi yao.
Mwancho muri ribona narna kwariganiretia SMS ya Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere konene ntado kumanya buna ekina ekyo kiarengase kigambero kubwatikana no kurusiwa kwa maiso aso mwana sagini nigo kegendrete getaraera wasiritkuriya rero mwana sagini aberega kweresere kigambero abuna yarenge kero chinga kicho abetega kurusiwa amaiso kurengana no mwana sagini nigatebire buna ngina koro aserieta Rail Nyakerario nere obwatranete ase ase okumurusia amaisayo igono mancho muri no roboto gendrete okobwatiria turachiko kumanya senchera yoboikeranu igobono gendra kubwati miroberio yonsi egetaseni kya Ndizi TV nabo bwansu bwo Gusii ekerongo kwenyoria buna nabo kugendra gotonyora sensemo ya Facebook wetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News aso mutandao Twitter nabo gotwitwetera @Ndizi TV News chikoraga chinsa ikomi aya munaenda mange no chikuyanyora na inda senchera ere yobwengere triane Everlyne Osero twabwaterana nere Joshua Auta kwenekya wekere asensemo yebimenyerero twarobolgerero borobya nabo igomo basoro muterero